A 27, 28-year-old person wakes up in the morning tired. He feels heaviness in the stomach. After breakfast, feels bloated. After lunch, he feels acidity and zero energy by the evening. Even sleep is disturbed at night. This person visited many doctors, but all the doctors says that your blood reports and your analysis are normal, but the condition is getting worse day by day. Actually, this is not the story of just one person. Many of you might relate with this story. Actually, 70% of people suffer from this issue. The biggest problem in all of this is that your blood reports, your analysis are normal, but you don't feel normal. You don't feel healthy. So why do you feel lethargic? Why do you feel low energy? Why every second person is suffering from diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or fatty liver before the age of 35 or 40. There is a beautiful shloka in Ayurveda regarding all this situation. Roga sarve api mandagno means the root cause of all the diseases in human body is weak digestive fire and unhealthy liver. If our food is getting properly digested, then our body will absorb all the nutrients from the food that we have eaten, and this will give us energy. If our digestive process will be disturbed, then our body will not be able to absorb the nutrients from the food. And second thing, waste will be accumulated in our body. Ultimately, this waste will be converted into toxins. In Ayurveda, it is called as ama. And these toxins are the root cause of all the diseases in human body. Actually, we are not working on the root cause of the problem. For example, if we feel constipated, we take laxatives. If we feel acidity, we take antacids. These are only temporary solutions. We have to work on the root cause. And for this, we have to make our liver healthy. We have to make our digestive system strong. And we have to remove the toxins from our body, means we have to detoxify our body. And to perform all these three works naturally, Ayurveda has suggested an awesome herb. Name is Bhumi Amlaki. Bhumi Amlaki Yakrit Uttam Aushadhi means Bhumi Amlaki is the best herb for our liver. It works as a liver detoxifier, means it helps liver to detoxify itself from waste and toxins. Bhumi Amla is Yakrit Shodhak, means it helps liver to detoxify itself from the waste and the toxins. It is Agni Deepak, means it helps to improve the digestive fire, which will help our body to absorb the nutrients from the food that we have eaten and will help to remove the waste, the toxins from the body. It's Pitta Shamak, means it regulates the bile. Bile is produced by the liver, and this bile actually helps in the digestion. Bhumi Amla is also said as Rakta Shodhak, means the herb that purifies our blood. And this is the reason why it gives that glow on our face and it improves overall health. It has lots of antioxidants in it. That's why it helps to prevent our body from free radical damage. It is hepatoprotective also. That's why it helps to protect the cells of our liver and also helps in the regeneration of the new cells. But you will be getting all these benefits only if you are using the right Bhumi Amla powder. See, you will get good result of any of the Ayurvedic herb or medicine only if the quality of the herbs that has been used are good. The product has gone through right processing method and no fillers has been added to the powder to increase the volume, the quantity of the powder. Yes, this happens in the market and this is sad, but this is reality. In our V Herbal Bhumi Amla powder, we have used the best quality herb. It has gone through an authentic processing method and yes, no fillers has been added to this powder. But yes, the taste of Bhumi Amla tastes as earthy, or we can say sandy. So its nature is so. That's why its name is Bhumi Amla. Bhumi means earth. So a powder that gives earthy taste is known as Bhumi Amla. In our V Herbal Bhumi Amla powder, we use best quality raw material to make the powder. The process is authentic and no fillers has been added to increase the volume. If you will use Bhumi Amla powder continuously, then within 1 to 2 weeks, your digestion will improve, you will not feel bloated, and your energy levels will boost up. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you will feel that it has helped you in getting relief from constipation. It is going to decrease your acidity and it will make your skin glowing. Within 6 to 8 weeks, it is going to improve liver function, it is going to decrease water retention, and it will increase overall stamina of the body. Now, how to use it? What is the right way to use it? First week, start with half teaspoon just once in a day after your meal. From second week, start taking half teaspoon in the morning, half teaspoon in the evening after your meal. From third week, you can go up to 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the evening after your meal. You have to increase the dose gradually so that your body can adapt to this herb. After using Bhumi Amla, your gut will be healed, your liver will be healthy. So consuming Bhumi Amla will slowly heal your gut, will make your liver healthy, and this will help you in curing your 80% of health issues. So work on your diet, improve your lifestyle, start taking Bhumi Amla, your life will change for good. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.